All right, here is the latest update. As you can see here, we're getting there. So I did do some adjustments to the tracks and the height of these tunnels here just to make sure that the train was operational. But as we kind of like take a step into it, you can kind of see here that I went ahead and used that scrapbooking stone print paper to kind of go ahead and cover, some of those backbones or pillars of the platform here. I think those turned out really nice. You can also see that I kind of like redid those edge parts here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that stuff trimmed down once I do the accessory lighting. Let me just put this up here for a minute. Kind of similar to another update, or like when I did the building placement, but we'll have those tree line here with the road. I'll go ahead and start putting down the stone pathways next. Another cool thing up here, you can kind of see that I kind of moved the buildings around. I think this is like a better, more aesthetically appealing setup here. Definitely showcasing a new tower from this year. Another thing I wanted to point out too, where I kind of used a black construction paper to cover up those posts on both ends. Initially, I thought that the backdrop was going to cover it, but I decided just to go ahead and just use the one that I made from last year. I could put the link in the bio so you can kind of see how this was made. But as you can see here, some of the posts were still showing. And what I decided to do was actually just cover them with black so you can kind of see that it actually kind of like blends in or matches the black silhouette. They're kind of showing some more skyscrapers in the background and making it look like it's kind of like coming out and being more three-dimensional. One little thing that I will do that I haven't done yet because I wanted to talk it through with you guys, but you can kind of see here, like if that was supposed to be like a skyscraper in the distance, this pillar here, but you kind of can see like it's kind of showing like this little like crease part here. And what I would do to make it look seamless is I'll take another piece of construction paper as well, and I will let's see, cover it like that, and then and do something like this. So now that makes it look like it's like a skyscraper that blends in with the backdrop, but then it like comes out almost three-dimensional there. So I'll go ahead and do that so you don't have this little line there. And then I think for this top row, once I kind of do that part, I'll go ahead and put in like the accessory lamp post. And I think this one, that top row might almost be done, so then I could trim off that extra, fabric, because I feel pretty good about this level. For this one, I think we're almost ready for accessories, because I'll go ahead and just, add some trees, do the sidewalks and the roads, accessories. I'll definitely make sure that we put more lamp posts here. I think the lamp posts always add like a nice little extra to it and detail. We also have some street lamp posts. Some power lines. I might also play around with power lines on this one as well. But then once I kind of get all the wiring for the accessory lighting done, we'll go ahead and trim the extra white stuff there. You can also see that I also put some little black fabric backdrops to this, so you can't see completely through. I might actually go back over with another layer because I still have some more of that fabric. And then even under here, I think this one is ready for some stone roads and stuff. And then with this one being the rural area, I was able to we'll probably elevate that train station so you can see it a little bit past the train when the train comes through. I also have like a barn. So I'm gonna put that barn out there. I have like some deer We'll do some more like accessory lighting down here as well. Definitely coming out during this front, part right here. I definitely want to do that. So yeah, that's definitely that next part. Is I'm definitely going to be doing a lot of the lamp wiring, and then I'm putting another building here. Probably go ahead and do tree setup and road setup. So I'll kind of take you guys along for that. Again, as we really get this thing to completion. It's really coming together very nicely. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, that's really going to be the next big part, is doing some building placement on the ground level. So I have another building to add and getting those tiered a little bit. Now that I know the train has enough space and it's working correctly. Second level be like roads and trees and lampposts. Third level will be lampposts, roads, trees. Yeah, fourth level will be lampposts as well. Maybe not. We'll see if we can fit a road in there, but maybe not, because well, probably a little road or a little like cobblestone for a few figurines. But because that's like the farthest away, you really just want, the buildings to be like the skyline. The activity or the bustling city moments will definitely be levels. I guess what is this? This is 1, so level 2 and level 3. Then that'll be like the skyline. Yeah, so it's coming together really nicely. Then once I get all that wiring done for the accessories, might even do some spotlights up there as well. Actually, I think I have a few spotlights, but I think I was gonna do a spotlight with this to kind of show like, oh, like there's a show going on that night, and maybe another spotlight up here as well to shine a light on that plane and get some more light up there. But other than that, we are looking pretty good. So yeah, let me go ahead and just kind of show you guys in this next part again. Finishing out the lower level with that roll setup and make sure those buildings are tiered correctly. And then we'll do accessory lighting. Then, roads and trees. And then all the fun detail moments to come.